Hello everyone and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Today's hair tutorial is going to be a rope braid and a fishtail braid combined. I have tutorials for both rope braids and fishtail braids on my channel if you'd like to check them out. Take two sections of hair and cross them over each other. Then you're going to pick up a strand of hair closest to your hairline, add it into the section of hair and cross it over. And just repeat those steps. When you get behind your ear, this is when you're going to switch into a fishtail braid. You're already working with two strands of hair, so that makes it slightly easier than if you were doing a French braid into a fishtail braid. So take a section of hair from underneath and you're going to take it over to the section on the left. Take hair all the way from the other side of your head, and this one is going to go over to the right section. Take hair from underneath and this is going to go over to the left section. And working from the other side of your head, this strand's going to go over to the right section. And you're just going to keep on alternating those strands. And that's it. Rope braid into a fishtail braid. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you like it. Please check out my other videos if you want to. Thank you so much.